Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is so-called patriarchy. Let's get into the video. See, some beliefs are not made up of truth, they are made up of convenience, and patriarchy is one of them, and it is way more worse for women's. We all know patriarchy says that women can't dream, women can't achieve their goals because they shouldn't have any goals. According to patriarchy, women shouldn't have any goals, and they should sit down at home and take care of the house, take care of the other people except themselves, and they are not able to do anything. And if they didn't do according to this patriarchy system, they are not a good woman. These women are not considered as a good woman. And you know what the funny part is? If women stop accepting these limits, patriarchy has no power, literally no power, if women refuse it. Like a girl born and she gets little, old, and she look up the sky and dream of become an astronaut and pilot and whatever she wants to be. But as soon as she starts, aging like 12 or 13, people will came to her and automatically keep saying that no, don't do that, you can't say that, no, you are not allowed to do that, you are not allowed to wear this, no, you can't dream about that, no, this is not what you are made up of for. And at that very small age, girl automatically start to question themselves, like am I doing something wrong? Like, if I am thinking about that, everyone is saying that I can't do that, I might be thinking something wrong, I might be thinking, I might be doing something wrong, this is not what I should do because everyone is saying me. At that age, we are not mature enough to understand what is right or what is wrong. People can manipulate you very easily when you are like a teenage. So at that age, when people came to you and tell you what you need to do, yeah, and you can't dream of anything that you want to do in your life, because those people try to control your life, they want to control your life, and they don't want you to dream anything. They want you to live according to their rules, according to their patriarchy rules. Yeah, so you automatically start questioning yourself, am I doing something wrong? Why I'm thinking like that? They might be right. My mom is doing this, my elder sister is like this, my aunt is doing this, my grandmother did this, and if I did something different to them, I might be so wrong, people will question me. What if I did something wrong? When we grow up, we slowly realize that no, this was not something I really wanted, I don't want this. But for some women, it gets too late, like they got stuck in some sort of situation for the rest of their lives, and they feel like, what I can do now, this is what I have to accept this. I can't challenge everything, I can't do anything now, this is what I have and I have to accept, and I have to live like that. But some women, set an example, and that woman should be you, girl. And patriarchy never come, most of the time never come as a villain. It does come to you like concern or something good for you. Like, take an example, like a girl who wants to be a traveler, like she wants to travel the whole world, but the society will came up to her and tell her that, oh no, you are just a girl, you can't be out there like a random boy. The society, the world is not safe for girls, there are so many rapists and criminals out there, you won't be safe and you can't do this, this is not meant for you, you should be in the house is the most safe place for you, the world is not safe for the girls. And you will automatically we saw lots of rape cases and criminals and lots of things against women, and you will think like, yeah, they are right, it is about something, good about me, and I can't do that. I probably won't be safe. What if something happened to me? I should be at home and do things in certain way. I can't do that. So you automatically, because of that concern, suppress your dreams. Why the world is not safe for women? It is not unsafe because of women. It is, the world is unsafe because of men. So there should be a rules for men, not for women's. But this is how patriarchy works. They always want to suppress the woman. They want is women in a house, making a house, building a house. That's it. They don't want anything else, because they know when a woman get out of her house, she can do anything, she can become anything. And if that happened, the circumstances will be so not in the favor of men. Have you guys seen your mothers and your grandmothers and your elder women's who got beaten by their husbands, their fathers, their brothers, and they act totally normal? It's because of what? Because their brain, they set their brain, like, they, people brainwash them that this is what they have to go through. You are women. If a man is having, anger, he can beat you, and you are the woman, you are the homemaker. It is your responsibility to get beaten by that man. See, we need to understand that patriarchy is not something that you have to create a distance, make equal rights between men and women. It's not about men and women. It is about giving a human being equal rights. It is not about men and women. If you are giving everything to a man, all the facilities, why you are not treating the woman as same? They are human being, we are human being. Imagine being told by other people's what you can wear, what you can study, where you can go, whom to marry, how many kids should you have, like how many kids should you have, who to marry. Other people will decide that with whom you're gonna spend rest of your life. It's not like out there all the men have the power and all the women are powerless. No, but look at the history, look at the society we are living around. It always favors men. Every decision that has been made, it is always favor man. Patriarchy has a great impact on our society, and it is not something that we can work on this quick. No, it is not possible. But people, society, men, and especially women needs to understand that they don't have to follow the rule list. There is no rule list. Women can do anything what they really want to do, and they can achieve their dreams. In the pressure of society, you don't have to kill your dreams, right? You got only one life. Live as you want. There is no system, there is no rules. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will come back tomorrow with something more new, something more great. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.